Okay, I'm waiting to do this for a little while here, and I got my Lenovo Y50, and yeah, it's not the greatest. I installed Windows 10, and it's kind of a little slow. I've got this, which is a solid state 480 gigabyte drive, so I'm looking forward to putting this in. I actually have this installed, but it died, so I got an RMA on it, so I'll be making a video on this time around. Hopefully it won't die again. So here's how long this takes to start up. Not the quickest. Well, you get the point. Even though it didn't start up properly, you can still see that it really, really needs something. So I'm going to go ahead and shut it off. I don't really care about my data or anything like that. I know it's not nice to force shut it down like that, but I really don't care. I'm tired of it. It's a fairly simple job, and now I'll be covering it. Just how to do it. I got to remove a whole bunch of screws along here, and one right there, and all that good stuff, and it'll pop off the panel. Okay, it can be kind of tricky getting these back hinges off here, but I've done this a couple times before, so I guess it's loosened up or whatever. And there we have it. Western Digital Slim. Yeah. Slim. Bunch of bullshit. There we are. Alright, so there's the old hard drive. Western Digital Slim. And, doesn't look so great. You can see those milling marks. Yeah, I've done some machining work in the past, and I know enough to say that that shouldn't really be there. Should not look like that. So that might have something to do with how it's poorly manufactured, perhaps. Solid state drive can go into the drive bracket thing, which I gotta remove first. Solid state drive is in. Next up is just to put the cover back on. This isn't really supposed to be a how-to video, but it's mostly just me covering what I'm doing here. You don't have to watch me put screws in. Alrighty, so solid state drive is in. Got some boot media here, and let's see what happens. There we go. So this is going to take a little while. And we'll see what it does once it's done. There's only one thing any Windows web browser is good for, and that is downloading different browsers. Okay, all the drivers are installed and everything's set to go. Let's see how quickly it starts compared to last time. And there you have it. And there you have it. And programs are just about... Programs are just about... What the fuck? Display drivers are doing something. Oh my god, really? Okay. My driver problems have been fixed. It doesn't crash anymore. And basically, everything's all set up and I've been using it for a little while. On my solid state drive, I'm only using not even 40 gigabytes yet, and I still have 410 free. So that is pretty super. I'm not going to run out of space too much. I'm going to use my desktop for my videos and all that good stuff. Yeah, fairly easy upgrade. Didn't cost too much, only about 160 bucks for a 480 gig solid state, and it brought my computer back to life, more or less. So that'll conclude this video on the upgrade, and I hope you enjoyed it, of course, and subscribe if you are so inclined to do so, or hit that like button, and thank you for watching.